Greetings to all Brahmin families. I am Meghna Keshavmurthy from K2V Infotech LLP. We have launched an online matrimonial website, Brahmins.K2VMatrimony.com. It's an online matrimonial website where you can register online for completely free of cost. Let me tell you some special features of our website. It can be done online through your computers, mobile phones, iPads, or any devices using which you can access the internet. It's a free website with no nominal fees or registration fees. Now, before we start, please keep ready some of your photos of yourself, with your family, at your workplace, and also some photos of your hobbies if you want to. Also keep a 1-minute video of yourself talking about your partner preferences, about your interests, and your family background. Also keep your Rashi, Nakshatra, Gotra, and your horoscope details in handy. And you also have to upload your horoscope details in a digital format. Now, let's see how our website looks like, how to register, sign up, log in, and how to search for your life partner. First, open up a web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Then, go to the address bar and type in Brahmins.K2VMatrimony.com. Then, press enter. Now, our website appears like this. Scrolling up, in the top right-hand corner, we have a number to which you can call in case you have any queries, questions, or doubts related to our website. Coming down, we can see a chat option to which you can send us a message. We also have the daily Panchanga, which gives you updated information about today's date, day, about the different kalas and their timings. The number of users in our website is also displayed. Let's see the number of options we have: login, sign up, find vendors, demo, gallery, preparation, costing, FAQ, disclaimer, and matchmaking. Before registering on our website, please go through the disclaimer once and read it thoroughly. After reading this, come back to the home page, and then, now let's see how to sign up. In order for you to sign up, you have to click on the sign up option. First, you have to select who is creating the profile. Is it yourself, your siblings, or your parents, or someone else? Then, enter in whom you're searching for. Then, type in your first name. Then, your last name. After that, your religion. Here, your religion will be set as default as Hindu Brahmin, but you'll have to select your subcaste. Type in your mother tongue and select your citizenship, your residing country, and the residing city. Then, type in your permanent address in the permanent address box. Then select your state, and then your city. Then enter your PIN code. Then you have to enter your mobile number and email address. Please be very careful while entering in your mobile number and email address because a 6-digit OTP code will be sent to this mobile number. And then, any other updates related to our website will be sent to your email address, so please be careful while entering these two fields. Then, give yourself a username and a password. And then, type in a password for yourself. Then, confirm the password. Type in the same thing once again. Then click on the submit option after reading the terms and conditions. Now you have to make sure that you filled in all the mandatory fields before clicking on the submit button. Now a pop-up will come like this. Please click on OK. Enter your username and password that you've given. And then click on the login button. Now, after you click on send OTP, a 6-digit OTP verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Type that in, and then you have to click on the submit option. Be very careful while entering in these 6 digits. Then, this will redirect you to your personal information page. Then, please select your education, and then your employment, your occupation, and then your annual income. If you don't want to disclose your annual income, we have an option of prefer not to say. Select your marital status, family type, your family values, if you have any disability, and then your height. Then type in your date of birth. Then type in your father's name. And then your father's profession. Then your mother's name. And your mother's profession. And then type in the number of sisters and brothers you have. And then upload a picture of yourself. Please be careful and see that you have to give in all the mandatory fields. If you don't have any brothers, type in as 0. After clicking on the submit option, it'll come to the Astro information page. Now, select your Rashi and Nakshatra. Then, select the number of Padas or Charanas that you have. Then, select your Gotra. And then your Nadi. If you don't know, you can also select don't know. Then select your diet, skin tone, body type, then your blood group, and your weight in kgs. Then type in your hobbies. Select whether you're alcoholic or non-alcoholic, and select whether you smoke or you don't smoke. And then, after all that, click on the submit button. This will direct you to your profile where you can view your basic details that you've entered before. Then, clicking on the other tabs, you can view your professional details and then your religion details, about yourself. In the About Me tab, you have to describe yourself. Type in a few sentences about yourself, describing your interests, hobbies, what you like to do in your free time, things about yourself, where you live, your occupation, your income, your culture, your family background, and anything which you would like to explain yourself about. Please do type in a few sentences in this box. Tell your interests, tell your passions, tell what you like to do, and then click on the Save option to save your information. information here. Then, in the describe your partner preferences box, please type in a few sentences about your partner preferences. It could be about your partner's looks, how you want your partner to look like, his occupation, his annual income, his interests, his skills, his passion, or whatever you would want your partner to be like. For example, there are people who want their partners to be singers, who like to sing, who like to dance, about a particular family background, their culture. It could be anything, but please do include a few sentences about your partner preferences. And then, after you're done, click on the Save option to save your information. Now, your information will be saved. And it looks like this. Coming to photos and videos, you can upload a 1-minute video about yourself explaining your interests and hobbies and partner preferences. Coming to photos, you can choose a few photos of yourself, you in your workplace, with your family, and any other special photos of yourself, like you doing your favorite hobby. It could be you dancing, singing in a function, or anything like that. And then click on Upload. Coming to search, you can search for the bride or bridegroom. Scrolling down, you can see the number of brides or bridegrooms who are registered on our website. Scrolling down, you can see the number of users. Scrolling up on the left side, you can see the filters option, in which you can filter your bride or bridegroom based on certain options. It could be education. For example, you could filter out the grooms who have studied MBA, like this. And then our website filters it out for you. Scrolling up, you can also filter based on annual income. And then our website searches the perfect one for you. By clicking on the clear option, you can clear all the filters. Coming to advanced search, you can search based on height and residing country. By going to height, we can select a particular height and see the grooms. Then, clicking on residing country, we can find a groom who is residing in a particular country. Scrolling up, by clicking on the clear option, it clears out all the filters for you. Then we also have the Guna rating here. If it's in yellowish orange, it means it's an okay kind of a match. If it's in bluish green, it means it's a very good match. In case it's in red, looks like it may not be a good match. And you don't get along together. So coming down like that, you can see the number of Guna ratings of each bride or bridegroom. If the Guna rating is in bluish green, then it means it's very good and you can get married. Note that the phone number is not disclosed to anyone for safety purposes until he or she accepts your request. Coming down to the professional, religion, and astrology details, we can see the different number of kutas, and we can see the Guna rating is good here, and also the astrology details, and how well you two match together. Coming to photos and videos, you can see the different photos uploaded by the user. Clicking on back, you can see the number of users and their Guna ratings. We have an option of send interest. If you click on this, then it means you can send interest to that person. If you are interested in a particular person, then click on send interest. We also have an option of user ID search, in which you can search for a particular user based on his or her user ID. Since it's difficult to search for all the people, this would make it easier. Now you can view all the details of that person. And you can see how well you two go together. Going to back and clicking on My Profile, it'll redirect you to your profile. Now, let's see about the request option. Here, we can see the number of incoming requests and the number of outgoing requests and the history. Incoming requests are those which have come to our profile, those people who have sent interest to us. Outgoing requests are those to whom we have sent requests to. And then we can also see the history. Now, let's come to trusted users. Trusted user entry is for safety purposes, in which you have to enter 5 references and then their mobile numbers. You'll also have to upload a few documents, and don't worry, everything is confidential and nothing will be disclosed to anyone. After uploading all this and clicking on the submit button, you'll get a trusted user badge. Now, after this, let's see how to edit our profile. Go to settings and click on edit profile, and you can edit your profile. Notice that the basic details and religious details cannot be changed. Only your professional details can be changed, like your education. You can select your education, then select if you're studying something else now, and then make sure that you click on the save option to save your changes. You can also change your employment, your occupation, and then your annual income, because it can change from time to time. Then you can also change about yourself and then your partner preferences. Photos, you can delete them or you can add additional photos or replace a photo with a different one. But please be careful here to save your changes. Always double check that you've saved your changes. And then come up and coming back to my profile. If you want to change your password, go to settings and change password. Type in your current password, the new password, and then confirm your password and press on submit. If you would like to deactivate your account, go to settings and then click on account to deactivate. Please give the reason for leaving and then give us some feedback and press on the deactivate option. Go to settings and then click on log out. Here you can enter another username and password. By going to home, this will redirect you to our website. Here we have a contact us option to which you can send us your query and drop your message by typing in your name, email address, and message. Yes, now you've seen how our website looks like, how to register, log in, and search for your life partner. As I've already told you, our website is completely free of cost, and I hope you make the best use of it. Thank you!